Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be installing a dual reflective window film. I'll show you guys how to install it. This is a high performance film. It reflects a lot of heat and it's neutral on the inside, giving you better visibility at night, not reflecting a ton when the lights are on, especially at night. But it does reduce a ton of heat. It's popular amongst all manufacturers, SolarGuard, Lumar, 3M, etc. They all call it something different. Usually you'll get a lifetime warranty on this film for residential and about a 10 to 12 year on commercial. Right now we're doing a residential installation. I'm going to show you exactly how to install it here. Go through the process with you. Let's get to it. So first and foremost, you want to go ahead and clean your glass. I'm using a simple solution of water and Dawn dish soap and a stainless steel blade, which is softer than the glass. And I'm going to go ahead and just get this all scraped off. It's a new construction, so what we want to do is we want to take off any paint debris, etc. Secondly, I'm going to take my Olfa blade. I'm going to take off this silicone because this can start propping up your film. I'm going to take my blade, shove it right underneath it, and you'll see this really nice silicone bead come off. Take a look at that. A lot of times what happens with new installers is they'll just install it and then get the edges that pop up. It's a really good idea to razor your edges and remove any of this contamination. As you can see, quite a bit on there. All right. Now I'm gonna take a paper towel, get that all brushed off. Then I'm gonna flush my edges. When I flush my edges, it'll take a lot of the silicone completely out. So once you razor it, once you get your edges, go ahead and spray it down again. What I like to do, spray down the edge, spray down the edge. There you go. Now we're gonna squeegee this all off. Take my paper towel again, and in one smooth motion. Now I like to spray up and then stay right here and not go all the way to the top because you'll start flushing down dirt from underneath the seal. Now I'm gonna take my film. I like doing a reverse roll on this. Essentially it just takes the liner, sticks it on the back side of the film and exposes the adhesive. Tighten up my roll, tightens the water in between it, allows it to sit and drop down really nice. Give this one last. Stay right there. There we go. Once I got that done, I'm just gonna set my center, get my film fully tacked on. So what I like to do when we get to this part, and I wanna have a nice clean finish, especially at the bottom, I like to use the white card. Get yourself a nice clean white card. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get that right there. Just like that. That allows your water to flush down. On this step, I'm just using my metal card because it's a lot thinner and it leaves a really nice edge. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the film. I'm gonna go to 90 degree on this one because it is so thin of a card. It's gonna give you a great gap. It's gonna be super flush. So if you see here, see some fingers. It's best not to try to like really press those out with your squeegee, but use a hard card and a paper towel. That way you can suck up the water and not allow it to flush inside of the seal and back out towards you because it'll get contamination in your film. All right, so one of the things I did was I used a white card on the bottom and then I used our metal card on the sides. This is super thin. It allows for expansion and contraction on the edges, but on the bottom, it allows all that water to flush down. Usually you're gonna get a lot more dirt buildup at the very bottom of the seal. I like using the white card. It gives you about an 1/8 of an inch thick gap, but it's really good because what it does, or 1/16 of an inch to an 1/8 of an inch, it really allows you to press that water out without getting any contamination in. And a 1/16 of an inch on the edges with the metal card is awesome. It really gives you a really nice look. Have a look.